I'm Aaron Rutten, and welcome to Digital Art Unleashed. In this course, I'll take you on an exciting journey through Procreate. We'll start by learning the basics, and gradually work toward more advanced topics. In addition to familiarizing yourself with Procreate's essential content and features, you'll also learn some of the fundamental illustration skills that you can use to create art like a pro. The two primary goals for this course are for you to become more confident using Procreate, and for you to feel more comfortable making art on a computer. You'll discover the various types of brushes available in Procreate. You'll learn how to modify brush properties to create your own custom brushes. You'll learn how to use the important features and tools in Procreate. You'll learn how to customize the Procreate interface to best suit your needs. And we'll go through a real-world digital art workflow from beginning to end, so you can utilize the skills you will learn to create a finished product. Procreate is a very robust art application, so to keep this course concise, I won't spend much time on anything that is not essential to my painting technique. By the end of this course, you will have developed a strong foundation that you can build upon with my other courses and tutorials, which go more in-depth into painting specific subjects. During this course, we will be working with several template files I have created to help demonstrate brushes, tools, and other features. You can load these templates into Procreate and follow along with me. Procreate is art software that allows you to draw and paint on your iPad. Procreate stands out from other art applications by offering a minimal touch-based UI and feature set that is optimized for iOS. Procreate and the iPad make an excellent duo for a low-profile portable digital art workstation. Procreate has a large collection of brushes with a lot of detail and variety. You can even create your own custom brushes with a robust set of brush controls. Procreate doesn't offer any computer-intensive natural media simulations like Fluid Paint or Impasto, but that means it has pretty good brush performance without much, if any, lag. Procreate also features some essential digital art tools and functions. You can warp and transform elements of your artwork. You can modify your artwork using layers. You can change colors. And you can draw with customizable guides, grids, and in perspective. I was a beginner once, so I understand that digital painting in Procreate can seem intimidating at first. However, there's no need to worry. I will break down the material into manageable sections so that you can easily follow along and learn at your own pace.